We have a LeetCode problem number 242, a valid anagram. So first of all, we will read carefully problem. So in problem, given two strings, string S and string T, return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. It means question wants to tell us that if T string will be anagram of string S, then we will return true, otherwise false. So first of all, we must to know that what is anagram. Anagram means any word like you can take as an example apple and suppose apple and you will write as another word apple to arrange PPLEA. So apple is anagram of PPLEA means both word has same letter must. So this was the anagram definition of anagram. So we have to click here approach. What will we apply here? So here will be applicable a approach of we have to first of all mapping method where we have taken a frequency and then we will count number of letters. Suppose number of letters a is 3 times in string S and in T is 3 times. Just like means we have to count number of letters of string. So first of all, we have first approach will be that if we should write here a condition if size of S string not equal to size of T string, then that will not be considered as anagram because both words have same letters must. So first our first mechanism is if s dot size if s dot size not equal to string t dot size, sorry, t dot size, then if size of string not equal to size of t string, then return false because that will not be anagram. So first condition fulfilled. After that we make a frequency of 20 because we have in our alphabet letters 26, so frequency 26 and we have taken a container frequency just like, and it contains 0 boxes currently now and frequency has 26 boxes. So now we apply for loop for string s. Int I equal to 0 and int I equal to 0, int I equal to 0 and I less than s dot size, s dot size, mm, I less than s dot size and I plus plus. Okay, after that we write a condition frequency sorry, we have frequency just like frequency s string its indices and minus a character. Okay, I will explain you what it tells want to tells this line, and after that plus plus. This line wants to tells us that when string s I equal to 0 will continue, then in frequency, and this is container, this is this 26 container is here frequency. Si means string s minus a character. It means this line will roll as act role here as like number of characters present in string s. Okay, so if suppose number of characters in s will be 3, a will be 3, number of characters of a in this string 3, then here count will be 3. Okay, and after that we have go to next step, because as string 0 means a string a means ASCII value of a is 97 and ASCII value of this a character 97, 97 minus 97 0. So here we have one letter a passed here, then count plus plus means one of a letter, and when n will become, then n minus ascii value of a n minus a will be, then here will be count number of n character 1, and after that here comes will be a again, and a and count here a before it number of character a was 1 and now it will be increased, and then number of a character was 2. Okay, after that we have to write next for t string int I equal to 0, I less than t dot size, I less than t dot size. Okay, and t sorry I plus plus. Okay, after that we have to return here same thing, frequency ti frequency ti minus a. Okay, minus, and in this string t string both are related as like that when number of characters will be passed in string as, in this string in this frequency number of characters will be count or increase. Suppose here will be number of character a to increase, after increase will be 3, and because of increasing, and here will be we have suppose character A comes in this string T string, then here will be minus. So here 3 and here minus 3 both will be neutral, and so it means that the number of characters in S string is equal to number of characters in T string. It means number of same characters. Suppose number of number of character A was 3 times in S and same as number of characters A in T string was 3, so that will be neutral. It means both has equal number of same characters, so it will be considered as anagram. Okay, and after that we have to write here for loop. A condition will be applied for loop int I is equal to 0 and I less than I less than I less than 26 and I plus plus, and after that we have to here write if condition or frequency I not equal to 0. Okay, then it will be return false. Okay, and after that finally we have to return true. Okay, all set, that's clear. First of all we will run this code, and after it will accepted means we have find solution of this anagram valid anagram problem, and in first time we have write code, and I will recall you all concept. First of all we have approach a condition if size of string not equal to size of T string or size of S string, then return false, because that will be not possible anagram, a valid anagram. And after that we consider a frequency 26 array, and he currently it has 0 boxes, and after that we run a for loop, apply a for loop for S string and frequency as I minus a, means this string frequency, this line is for to count number of characters present in S string, and when number of characters present in n S string, that will be increase count plus plus. Okay, and as like as this this line number 16 is stands for T string to count number of characters in present in T string, and that will be not increase, that will be decrease, and S strings character will be increase and T strings character will be decrease, and when both will be neutral then we have to return. It means totally I want to say that from line number 10 to line number 17, main motto of this line number 11 to line number 17 is that first this line number 11 to line number 13 says that number of S string has characters is equal to number of characters present in T string equal. Okay, means this line, these from 11 to 17 line wants to tell that number of characters present in S string is equal to number of characters present in T string. Then we will return true because that will be because that will be considered as a valid anagram. And after that we have a condition if frequency I not equal to 0. It means this line tells us that when string s not equal to string t size, so we have to return false. So this all was solution of this problem. So